Hi everybody, it's Crystal Martinez, your student speech therapist. I am here to talk to you about these visuals. So these are the visuals that you're going to find on this cardstock here. So oops, this one's upside down. So yes and no, and in the back it has your student's picture. This is my fabulous picture here. So your student's picture here and a blank. We're going to go ahead and go over personal information first. We want our students to know some of their personal information, even if they're not verbal. We want to see them do some eye gaze towards the picture. We want to see them do some reaching out towards the accurate picture in response to the verbal prompt. What's your name? We want them to eye gaze to their picture. Okay, so if they're not doing that, what we would like is for you to first present it with a 2. Okay, the blank is intentional because we really want to know if their indication of the choice is accurate. Okay, so if they're looking at over here, then we know exactly that they're not accurately identifying themselves. Okay, so we're going to present these 2 at their level. So if they need to zoom right in, if they need to be more flexed away from us, depending on our student and their ability for sight, we're going to go ahead and give them their range appropriately. Okay, so just for purposes of this video, we're going to stay right here to keep them in field of view. So what's your name? The student doesn't direct their attention towards their picture. So what happens is we're going to drop this. We're going to, with gentle guidance, push their head to look over to this picture and kind of move this picture around. Get their eye gaze focused over here. So move it around. Yes, yes, that's Crystal. What's your name? Crystal. Oh, yes, that's your name, Crystal. Yes, that's Crystal. That's you. Okay, you can also do that in the mirror. It's great for the mirror. Get their picture. See them in the morning. What's your name? Crystal. Yes, it's Crystal. Crystal. Grab their hand. See if they tolerate patting their chest and say their name. Okay, so that's that one. And that helps with identifying personal information at their level of using a visual from a field of 2 pictures, or 2 icons rather. The yes and the no is very familiar with the students in Leonard's class. So they're detachable, so we can give our students the ability to separate these and really notice if they're moving their head to either side. So if they're close together, it might be a little bit harder for us to know which choice that they're making because they're so close. But if you spread them apart, that's why they're detachable. If you spread them apart, then we can really know which direction that they are looking. Okay, so you can use these in anything. Do you want more food? And if it's obvious that they want more food, just kind of, yes, yes, more food. Yes, I want more food, and present it. Okay, so making sure that you're getting that eye gaze over there, or that head turn to yes. Okay, so let's try that again. We bring this up. Do you want more food? Yes, you want more food. Automatically give them the more food. Yes, because they provided that to us. Okay, make sure that you are pairing the yes with the head nod, yes, and the verbal yes, and also what they really want. Okay, so make sure that you are presenting the no with the head shake no, kind of a no thank you face. Maybe even do a finger nod. No, I don't want any more, and put away. Show them that no, they didn't want any more. Those are the presentations for our yes and no, and how you would work that. and for personal information, which is really important for our students as well in their abilities with the identifying self. Okay? Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions by emailing me at cmartinez@fcoe.org or reaching out to your teacher, and they will get back to me with questions, and I will get then back to you to get those answers right back to you. All right, thank you, and bye-bye.